Let's see how to send voice follow-up messages on Instagram. So here I'm in a demo account. Let me explain how to achieve this easily. So first of all, you need to record that particular voice message you want to send to the customers. So for that, you can actually use any sort of online tools, and here this is one example where we can actually record the voice notes in the MP4A format, because for the Instagram to these voice follow-up messages to work, the voice format should be MP4A. But if you have already recorded your voice on a different format, you can use online tools to convert those audio formats such as MP3 into MP4A as well. So in this case, we can actually directly record the voice format in the MP4A as well, along with the other formats right here. So let's say let me record a voice note right here first. So this is a test follow-up message which I am recording for the YouTube video. Thanks. Alright, I have just recorded this sample voice note just for an example, and let me show how to use this in a chatbot automation on Instagram. So it has been successfully processed. So let me actually download this one right here, and let me say voice record IG bot. So let me save this in the download folder as well and click save. Alright, it has been saved right here. So now let's see how to use this recorded voice note or voice file in a chatbot automation. So here I'm in a demo account over here. So let me go to the flows over here, and in flows let me make use of our free templates. So go to the all free templates over here. Here let's use the comment automation free templates. So let me open this one, and here we have a comment automation where we actually ask people to comment a specific keyword, and after that you can actually request their email address to send any sort of resources. So here let's implement that particular follow-up message as well. So let me actually duplicate this one over here so we can keep the original templates as it is. So let me click on duplicate over here and use it. So here it has been duplicated. So let me rename this one as voice IG follow-up, and click continue. So this is the flow name, request email address plus a send resource link, voice IG follow-up. So let me open this particular flow right here and explain how to add the follow-up messages. So here we have a flow right here, and here you can also find the instructions on how to use these free templates as well. So here this is the first message sent to the customers, and if they confirm it, we actually ask for the email address, and we simply provide the link to access that particular free lead magnet, and here we are also sending the email as well. So here what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to add a follow-up message. So let's say I want to add the follow-up message in just a few seconds. So what you can do is you can actually add follow-up messages in few minutes or hours as well. So let me add a wait delay block right here, and let me say just 10 seconds, because just for the demo I'm just adding the follow-up message in 10 seconds, but you can actually add like minutes or hours as well. And here let me send a message over here. So here in this message we want to send the voice follow-up message. For that you have to choose file option over here and choose the audio, because we are going to send the audio file, and here you have to simply upload code. So let me open it, so it will get updated over here. Alright, so let me simply click on publish over here. So now we can actually test this one. So this is a comment automation, so we might need to create a comment automation right here. So go to the auto marketing over here. So let me open this in a new tab, and here you have to go to the Instagram comments automation, and here let's create one. So let's say IG voice follow-up just for the demo, and click continue. So here you can actually track all or set the comment automation for the specific post. Otherwise, so you can actually choose for the specific post right here. Otherwise you can also choose all posts as well. So it simply works for the all post you have on your Instagram, such as any sort of reels or post as well. and private reply to comment. So this is the place where we want to set the flow we just created right here. So this is the flow we just duplicated and make changes. Request email address, send resource link, voice follow-up. So if we go here, this is the exact flow name right here. Alright, and here you can also set the public comment reply as well. So let me say send you a DM, and let's say DM sent, something like that. And here you can also set the comment automation to only trigger only when they actually reply with specific keywords. So let's say when as guide, so only if they comment as guide, then this will automation will be triggered. Otherwise, if they comment some other words or any sort of other comments, then no automation will not be triggered as well. So here you have more options as well, and here you can also wait few seconds before you trigger the automation. For now, let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, make sure you activate this one before you test as well. So let's quickly test how this actually works as well. Alright, so here I'm in the test chatting media icon where we have connected this particular account right here, and the keyword we set up was guide. So let me comment as guide and see what happens over here. So I just added a comment guide over here. So here I added the comment, and here we received a response as well. It says a DM sent. So let me go to the DMs over here and see what happens. And as you see, we received the DM. So let me say yes please, and after that it will actually ask for an email address over here. So let me provide the email address as staticmedia@gmail.com, and after that we should receive the link to access the free guide over there, and also we will also receive the voice follow-up message in 10 seconds. So that's an important thing we want to check right here. So let's wait for the 10 seconds before it actually send us over here. And as you see, we received the voice note over here, and as you see, this looks like a simple voice note recorded within the Instagram itself. So that's why when you send voice notes like this, people will actually think you actually recording and sending these sort of voice note, but actually it is not the case right here. But anyways, let me play this voice note over here and show you. So here I am in the omnichannel inbox, and here you can actually track all the conversation happening here. So let me actually play this voice note we sent to the customer right from this inbox over here. So let me tap the play button. So this is a test follow-up message which I am recording for the YouTube video. Thanks. So as you can see here, you can simply hear the voice note we just recorded right there. Simple as that. So that's how you can actually send voice follow-up messages on Instagram using a chatbot automation. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.